How to appear offline or invisible in Steam. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to appear offline or invisible on Steam so you can enjoy your games without anyone knowing that you are online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Steam app and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the Steam, just look at the top section and there you can see the several tabs. From there, simply click on Friends, and once you click on that, a drop down menu will appear. And now here, inside that drop down menu, under the edit profile name, there you can see four options: online, away, invisible and offline. And here, if you want to stay online but appear offline to others and still want to have access to messages, just select invisible. Or if you want to fully disconnect from Steam social feature, then simply select offline. And that's it. Now you will appear offline or invisible to your friends while still being able to play your games. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.